Just like Canva, you can use PicMonkey also, where you will find all these options: Facebook group cover, Facebook banner, Twitter profile, Twitter cover photo, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel icon, the way we had in Canva, like for LinkedIn, okay, for Snapchat and all. It's the same like Canva. You can edit your images here also. You can edit your own photo, or you can take the photographs which are there, like these all images are there. You can select any of these. So again, you have free version as basic and paid version pro. So for example, if I type baking, so I'll get all the images. So I can have the basic images which are free, or pro which are paid, like for teaching. So these all images I can use. These are basic ones and these are the pro ones. Okay, so PicMonkey is also good.